I want to talk about creating statements in QuickBooks. The core to getting this done is to first go into your Edit Preferences menu and look at the preferences relating to your, let me get in there, there we go. Okay, so look at the preferences related to finance charges. Under Company Preferences, you can identify the annual interest rate that you're going to charge your customers. That might be, the default one there, or the maximum interest rate that you can charge your customers by law in the state of Washington is 18%. You can assess a minimum finance charge, like maybe $5 if you have to send out an invoice, and then down below you would check this box, and then you would check the box that says invoice or bill date is most appropriate, and say OK. And then you can go under the Customer Center and start the process of creating statements. You would specify the date range. Whatever date range you put for the statement, it's going to show on the statement anything that date or before. And you can select a range or as of a specific date and time. And then who do you want to send a statement to? If it's just one person, you can select that one customer from your drop-down list and send them a statement, or you can choose by simply checking on multiple customers that you want to send to, or of one type. Like, if you have a customer that is commercial or residential type customers, which you have specified in your customer setup screen, then you'll be able to send just those type of customer statements. And when your preferred method, you can say that you want to send them all via email or mail. Okay, so then up here, you can identify, do you want to, you can create your own template, your own statement template that you can use, but they have a default one here. And then do you want to send customer or statements to just every customer, or if a customer has 3 or 4 jobs, do you want to send a statement for each job independently? And then down below here are just different things that you can check the box if you want or don't want. Do you want to send a statement to someone that has a zero balance, or less than a zero balance, or less than any amount? Like if they're less than $50 owing, you're just not going to send them a statement. That might be the case. And then you assess finance charges. All you do, you have preset this in your preferences. So now you go in and you say, okay, here's the customers that I want to have receive be assessed finance charges. You click on all of them that you want. There might be some for whatever reason you don't want to send finance charges. You might have a deal that you're not going to charge them for overdue balances. And then when you're done that, you say assess finance charges. It creates a bunch of invoices for all those people, and you're done. Then you go and you can preview your statements and look at all the statements with the finance charges assessed, and then you can either email or print them. The process for sending out statements is that easy, and most will do it on a once-a-month basis after doing their billing and collections.